Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the public passenger vehicles and the way they use the road. Now, the Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Carol Palmer, is imploring drivers of public passenger vehicles to exercise greater caution on the island's roads. Now, Jamaica is improving its road network. A lot of improvements are being made, highways are being built, the main roads are being upgraded, so it's easier to move around the country. Now, the main way to move around Jamaica is via the roads. And a lot of persons use the public passenger vehicles for like buses, taxis to move around, especially within the city. And unfortunately, some of these drivers, they drive terrible. I mean, at some points they run red lights, they park anywhere, they as the Permanent Secretary was saying, they could exercise greater caution and judgment. Alright, so we're going to give you an update on this, and then we can discuss it after. Drivers of public passenger vehicles implored to exercise greater caution. Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Science, Energy, Telecommunications and Transport, Carol Palmer, is imploring drivers of public passenger vehicles to exercise greater caution on the island's roads. Mrs. Palmer emphasized that there needs to be more discipline on the roadways and respect for the safety of other road users. We have been struggling as a nation to have less fatalities on our roads. We cannot achieve it with the level of indiscipline that obtains. I am told, but they have to make the money for the owners and themselves. But let us stop and think, she said. We need to become a society that is civilized, because indiscipline means a lack of civilization. The fact that we do not respect the safety of ourselves and the safety of others and the safety of other road users is a lack of civilization, and we must get to the rule of law in our society, Mrs. Palmer implored. She also pointed out that the safety of the nation's children while on the road has been an issue due to reckless driving by drivers of public passenger vehicles. I think of our children, and I have seen too many accidents that result in the deaths of the children before they reach anywhere in life, because of the carelessness of public passenger transport road users. There are other users of the road who do it, but my audience today are public passenger operators, Mrs. Palmer said. For his part, newly installed chairman of the Transport Authority Board, Owen Ellington, also encouraged safety on the nation's roads. Mr. Ellington said that transport operators are very important to the social and economic interests of the island. As such, the business of transportation should be taken seriously, as the commuting public expects and deserves an improved quality of service in the public transport sector. Alright, that's the end of the update. So guys, what do you think about the way the public passenger vehicles use the road? And what do you think about what the Permanent Secretary is saying? Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe also. Alright guys, have a good day.